The Invert modifier vertically flips or inverts the terrain height map data. For example, all values of 0 will become 100, and all values of 100 will become 0. The height map is typically inverted at its center value of 50. This modifier contains numerous invert types for a wide variety of height map data inversion. The data center type inverts the height map at the center of the height map's actual range. If the height map's center altitude is 60, then it will be inverted at altitude 60. The full center type inverts the height map at the center of the full range of 0 to 100, which is always the center altitude value of 50. If the height map's actual center altitude is 60, then it will now be inverted at altitude 50, which will actually move the entire height map down to center. The custom type controls allow for specifying a custom altitude value to invert the height map at. This will not only invert the height map, but it will move it up or down depending on the value, and possibly even clamp the altitudes at the extents. The range type controls allow for the special effect of inverting only a specified altitude range of the height map. For example, only inverting altitudes of 40 through 60. This has the effect of inverting regions of the height map for unique terrains. The OK button applies the modifier to the main terrain height map. The Cancel button cancels the dialog. The Copy button copies the current dialog values to the clipboard. The Paste button pastes the current dialog values from the clipboard. If the clipboard does not contain valid values, clicking this does nothing. The Reset button resets the dialog values to the values from the last time that it was opened in the current session. The Default button resets the dialog values to the application defaults.